Independent contractor, agent, broker. What's the difference between the three? Three words confuse people all the time in real estate: independent contractor, agent, and broker. I'm Sam Chopra. Let me simplify this for you. An agent is a real estate professional who helps buyers, sellers, landlords, and tenants complete some transactions. A broker is usually a more senior professional or business owner who may supervise agents and run a larger real estate business. Very simply put, an agent works with clients and brokers often run the entire business. So then who is an independent contractor? An independent contractor who signs an ICA is not a title. It is a work structure. It simply means you're not a salaried employee. You actually operate your own business, build your own clients, earn through commissions, and work entrepreneurially while leveraging a larger platform. Think of it this way: agents and brokers are who you are. Independent contractor is how you work. So real estate today is increasingly entrepreneurial, and understanding the structure matters as much as understanding the market. I'm Sam Chopra. Subscribe for more real estate insights. Thank you.